Lavender tea has long been cherished for its soothing aroma and calming effect. But is it as harmless as it seems? In today's video, we're uncovering 5 surprising side effects of lavender tea that every tea enthusiast must know. Whether you're a loyal fan or just curious about this fragrant herbal infusion, you'll want to stick around to learn how to enjoy it safely. Lavender tea is often praised for its ability to promote relaxation, ease stress, and improve sleep. However, not all effects of this herbal remedy are beneficial. One of the most discussed concerns is its influence on hormones. Compounds in lavender have mild estrogenic effects, which could potentially disrupt hormonal balance in sensitive individuals. This may be particularly relevant for adolescents or people with hormone-related conditions. Another side effect to be aware of is allergic reactions. While rare, some people may experience symptoms like skin irritation, respiratory discomfort, or even digestive upset after consuming lavender tea. Additionally, the calming properties of lavender tea can amplify the effects of sedative medications, which might lead to excessive drowsiness or impaired coordination. If you're on any medication for sleep or anxiety, consult a healthcare provider before adding lavender tea to your routine. For those prone to headaches, lavender tea might paradoxically trigger or worsen symptoms in certain cases. Lastly, drinking too much lavender tea in one sitting can sometimes result in mild digestive discomfort, such as nausea or bloating, particularly for those with sensitive stomachs. The good news? These side effects are generally mild and can be avoided by consuming lavender tea in moderation. Start with small amounts and pay attention to how your body reacts. Lavender tea can still be a delightful addition to your wellness routine if enjoyed responsibly. Have you ever experienced any unusual effects from lavender tea? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insights into the world of tea and wellness. Let's get smarter together.